Let us go for question number 4. What is that? A pen stand made of wood in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 by 10 by 3.5 centimeter. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter and the depth is 1.4 centimeter. Here, like this, they shown 13.16. Find the value of wood in the entire stand. Look at here. So a pen stand is made like this. So conical depressions. So here wood is collected out. So since to hold the pen. So the radius of each of the depression is 0.5. So each depression radius is 0.5. Depth is 1.4. Depth in the sense here height of the cone it will become. The depthness of the each depression will be the height of the cone. So find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So to find the volume of that one, first what we have to find, see I will give the procedure here. First this is stand is cuboid shape. From this cuboid shape 4 are eliminated. 4 depressions of the volume is eliminated. First we have to calculate the volume of the cuboid. From that we need to eliminate or we need to subtract 4 volumes of the that means 4 volume of the each cone. That means how many cones are there like that? 4 into volume of the cone. So first given dimensions of cuboid is equal to 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. So indirectly volume will be equal to 15 into volume principle also L into B into H. So since it is a cuboid, so 15 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter or 10 into 3.5, let it be. So when we multiply with 10, this point will be more, that is 10 in 3 35. So it will become how much? Indirectly 15 3 is 400, 15 5 is 75, 475. Otherwise you do like this. Why our done is 15 plus 30, 15 into 30 plus 15 into 5. Otherwise you do 35 into 15, 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 17. So 35 1 the 35. What you will get? 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 17, 35. So it will be 5, 7 plus 5. Sorry. 450. I'm sorry. This is 450 plus, sorry, 15 3 is I have added with 400. 15 3 is 450 plus 15 5 is 75. Now it will become 525. So that's what answer we are getting here also. 7 plus 5 12. So it will be 525 centimeter cube of volume. Next, keep this aside. Volume of each depression we have to calculate first. So how we can calculate? So volume of each depression means here each cone here. So first height how much? Depthness is height. Directly I am writing. It is taking more time. 1.4 centimeter. Radius is what here? Radius they have given it as 0.5 centimeter. Volume is equal to, what is the principle? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is what? 0.5 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Height is what? 1.4. 0. Next the value will be 7 1 is 7, 0.2 is. Now this value will become 2 1 is 2 11 is 2 1 is 2, 0.1 is. So it will become 11 into 0.1 is 1.1 by 3. So like this, how many depressions are there? Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Before that, so the radius of each depression they have given like that. How many are there? The pen stand made up of 4 conical depressions. So into 4 we have to do. So this will be 4 into 1.1 by 3. That is 4.4 by 3. It will be around and about 3 1s are 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 1.4. 3 3s are 9. 1 point, oh no, 1.4, 3 4s are 12. Again, how much you will get? 2 you will get. 3 9s are, sorry, 3 6 are 1.46 you will get. So then what we have to do? Total volume is how much here? Total volume is total volume minus 4 cones volume will be equal to amount of the what solid left there. That means the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So total volume is 525. We got 525. Where it is 525 minus 4 into volume of 4 cones volume is 1.46. So this will be approximately how much? So 524. If you take again 0.46, you will get 0. How much? 54. So this will be 523.54 centimeter cube volume is going to be left approximately. 46 minus 25. Here what we have to do is simply you do like this. 44 by 3 1s are 3, 1 left 4, 3 4s are 12. Next 2 left, take a point here, take a 0 here, 3 6 are 18. But what I am doing is here, so here it has to divide. I think actually it is having one more point here. Move decimal to one more place, 1.46 you will get. Here nothing. If you don't know decimal manipulation, it is approximately. So if you don't know decimal manipulation, 125.00 minus 1.46 you have to take. 10 minus 6 is 4. Again what you will get here? 9 minus 4 is what? 5 point. Again how much you will get? 1 goes, already we taken 10 here. So here 4 minus 1 is 3. So as it is 523.54 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube only, no, centimeter cube volume is going to left.